ꯍꯧꯔꯁꯤꯀꯣ ꯇꯥꯕ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯂꯣꯏꯅ वारे कोविड-19 से कोविड-19 से इसका वारे ओके कोई उजिक तो उधर से कमांड प्रॉम्प्ट है उसने कमांड प्रॉम्प्ट से करीनो आई ताकत दी कंप्यूटर से दा इंस्ट्रक्शन पी बदो को कोई करीगुंबा थबा मत हो गया आई ताकत दी कोई कमांड पी बदगा ता है वो मधुकी कमांड तो अखना कमांड प्रॉम्प्ट से दगी जो पी भी है माउस न क्लिक तौरी से कहीं माउस न क्लिक तौरी से सीजो कमांड पी रही ने मरक थन न कोई नोई कोई लोइना तादी दाई को हाइदि ngasai क्लास हो दमिना जॉइन तोक्सलमगा मांगी खुद के लेते को तारे बता दब्रा अमता होइनी माइनी हाइद्रिजिबो
तारी सर
ओके अतै जु तारम मने खले अमा तारदि तुमिन लेना बनिना ngasai क्लास हो दमिना को वीडियो जुम याउद्रनिना नोई कई दोइनो कमाई दोइनो दो हाइदि लैरिब्रा अटेंशन पीरिब्रा पीदब्रा दो खंगदबैनेबा ओके एनीवेज मका सतरसे कोइना कंप्यूटर हाइबसे कइनो हाइतागदि कमांड अमा याउद्रगदि यादे कंप्यूटर से ऑटोमेटिक नि हाय मागी कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ता मतौ क्रम ऑटोमेटिक होइरिबा माजी ह्यूमन बीइंग जो नते लिविंग थिंग्स नते माजी अदुगा कोइना ऑटोमेटिक अन हाय करिगिनो हाय तागदि वंस कोइना कमांड अमा पीगी तागदि कमांड दु द हाइग्रिबा include togriba process mayam singda step mayam singda without any human intervention all the instruction will be executed maramaduna ni koina mase automatic harise aduna koina command ma pi targadi command se haidu se koina isam sam koina school gi days da koi hankatne yengsi assembly na tawi madai du da kaidawi school du ge koi captain pa gi nupi gi ma leram ba yai moina sabdan brisam ko adagi national anthem gumba sakpa khotpa gi command pirakpa matamda national anthem sai sabdan brisam tawi adu class ta sang mai class ta sang na ro hai kana koi mai class ta sangi dana madugi poto computer si da su ekona kamai tawi hai kana hairiba command sing ase pina bugi damakta ekona command prompt haidana ma layaba maje kai gidamakta seasonai hai targadi some specified tasks khara perform tawnaba hojikti seasonare hanadi ekona UI masagi GUI se UI da user interface ta makal ani hum lay madudi makal ani lay maruina koina hojik tamgadur se kaino hai tardi GUI haiba ma CUI haiba GUI हाइबगी लॉन्ग फॉर्म दे ग्राफिकल यूजर इंटरफेस हाइबनी अदुगा CUI हाइबना कैरेक्टर नत्रगना कमांड बेस्ड इंटरफेस हाइबने कंप्यूटर से आहान बहोगलको मतमदा एकोई याम कन्न सिजनरम से कइनो हाइतागदी CUI सिने GUI सिदी लेटेस्ट वर्जन नि विंडोज लाखपदगी लाखिबनी अदुना नसागी एकोइना कंप्यूटर से एक पाइबा मतमदा कनागुंबदी कमांड प्रॉम्प्ट सिदना some specific tasks हाइबा फाइल नुंग सेमदोक सादोकपा हाइबा मैम सिंसे सिदा तवे इसम समना कोइनो जो फोल्डर क्रिएट तौरिसे फोल्डर क्रिएट तौइदना फोल्डर क्रिएट तौरिसी माउस अकोइ विंडोज ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम सिददी ग्राफिकल यूजर इंटरफेस नाक्तनेबा दैट मीन्स नंगना क्रिएट तौरिबा फाइल्स नत्रगना फोल्डर सिंदो you can see it virtually even again virtually has you can drive manung sida laibani you cannot touch it ka but you sung ke that does exist madu exist oiraga laiba haibadi yauraga laiba madu ki poto ikon ubang ngambado madu graphical user interface ne whereas in CUI the command based the once nang kay haiba command pi grani Some the folder ma create tawro na ma create tawre loire. You cannot see it. Yes, you can feel it. Yeah. Command ma pi gre ma pang to gre haibisine like this. So howzikandi user interface graphical user interface the loina lakrabani na akoina command user interface natragana character user face interface hariba UI se na thaire toimsung masina karigumba kharadi tawda yadaba adugumba lae haibadi isam samna koisida ai haige ka isam samna karai this like okay yengo sida tax bar sida ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯔꯚꯤꯁ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯔꯟ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯂꯩꯔꯦꯀꯣ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯁꯔꯚꯤꯁꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ you can delete service by using the command ko adugumba layeba sidaisida asi kakta nate command prompt sinaisna tawba yadoise karigumba khara service maruina service sing se start tawba stop tawba haibuna sing sidaisida ko command prompt sizinare adubu nakoi gi syllabus ki matung inadi icham chamba command khara kakta ni sizinadoi se kari kari no hai targadi folder sembagumba sabagumba file sembagumba adugumba singduni koina ahanbada sida piri sengo command prompt se thagat kamaina open tawgadege haibaduni akoi ngasi theory se hapet nainasi aduga hayeng adum practically nainasi ko nakoi padi paramane na khalli chal ngarang ju class to bungam dre taseng nai ta gadi ngarang ju hospital da chatna kena tore ngasi ju office tagi halakpagani kena tore se साजी जो exhaust होए रेदुने याम कन्ना कुइने class टी तौररोई से maybe 20 minutes 30 minutes कुमा दुमाइना तौसे अदुबु I will try my best to complete का I best try toge yengse ahan bade ngo mkdir na tragane md command type tawdoi ni ko hairiba pose karino haikana masina kai dawi haikanda nangi folder ama create tawe samna create a subdirectory under specified directory on a specified disk format hairaga md_dir/part ko md_drive/part and higher example the cd colon sigi cd sina tai se kaino sigi cd sina tai se nangi c drive ta create to hai ni ko c drive sida isda kari create to payroll haiba folder ama create to hai ne will create a payroll subdirectory under root haibadi c drive sigi manung sida create to grane hauzik mathang sida nong kai dore example p sida cd sida isda md payroll play will create a pay ka subdirectory under payroll haibadi nang sida sida payroll ana leirani payroll ana folder am leirani sigi manung sida kadauba sigi pay hairi se create tarokane command ji gyan tare ko koina folder amagi manung the folder am create taw ana koina graphical user interface ta hairak targadi kadauba nangna folder am hana semani then you have to open it and then create a folder okay next slide tong yang se example c is the p is kaino pay.new hai bani masidai sida yung ko akoina ngasai command folder amagi file amagi maming piba matamda akoi gi mamang gi classing de yaugre 256 characters 255 characters akoina season aba yai some of the special character are not allowed in file names and koi haigi dana ko some na slash kumba adagi koi comma gumba adugumba khara yaugibane ko I don't remember exactly all those things again madugi jingdo nakoina kai doba madu nattaba atai singdi loina nangi file name da accept tawgineba. So now nangi example C is the p is a kaino. This command will create pay.new karai da root directory da sigi root directory sida create torokaneba. The maximum length of any single path from the root directory to the final directory can be 64 characters, including backslash, but including the drive specification. Nasagi nang na length ka command ama pirakpo matamda maximum character says 64 oigani karai dagi sige nangi root directory slash dagi horaga. Ko drive ki path ti C colon and appear is a drive ki path ka way that exclude toraga. Kanganika. So now matangi command among yang say matangi command kari hai chdir hai. Purpose cannot change those current working directory to specified directory on specified disk or to check for the current directory on the specified or default drive. Nasagi nang na sida biri se karino hai targadi. Nangi CD asin hek piba matamda nangi ngasagi location ng karai da lege kaidoge haibatu ulakane. Isam samna I use a graphical user interface ki mong dage sigi folder am lere folder sigi manung dai si folder sama hange and then folder amaga hange. What we have to do ay na sigi first folder sida sigi 1.1 1.1 subfolder nika. Sige manung sidagi if I want to go back in this area then I can dagutai backspace number na tragana backspace number nika backspace namaga I can go back to this place. Again if you press another backspace then you will be here. Nika. So here nangi command prompt the b madu kaidawi hai targadi kaidawa cd haiba command prompt the seasoner kaneba. I use sigi cd jahidrangi mamong again the same thing nang sida changi hai targadi sida isna ma changi hai targadi aikoina kaidawi graphical user interface tadi sigi folders hang matungda you can double click and open this folder. Again you double click and open this folder then you will be here. So now command prompt the lako matamdadi what we have to do is cd na type torani and then nangi folder maming di iduine. Example oina sida folder se 1 are sina 1.1 sina kaidoba 1.1.1 hiring kalase. Hoje akoi ni idoi je command magi c colon slash lejeramani adoi tare akoi kaidorani cd ahan bada idoi je ko akoi horen command je sangna adum isan be yai 1 na irane yan dai ko si 1 na irani enter to ba matamda nangi ngasai ki kaidogre sida cd sumaina c colon leram basa nang kaidogre sidai sida wana na laaneba wana na laaga sumaina slash tawra leiraneba sigi leiriba posa sidai sida amung nang nang kai idoiba amukazu another cd 1.1 aduga kaidogadaba enter fugadaba once fugra matungda nangi c colon slash ko sidai sida ama sumaina walame sigi sign ji legadamni and then kaidoba 1 slash aduga 1.1 slash na sumay laan yan tayo ko amuka zungunang na sila ido yung kano cd 1.1.1 aduga kayo ko ba nang enter fu ko ba once nang si fu ko matong da kayo re nangi current folder position je 1.1 slash 1.1.1 slash sinangi path ne ba hauji sinatay si kayo you are here ko sida ay koy asi mamangis nang yung si ko sida graphical user interface da at this point you are here at this point you are here ko and at this point you are here gandar ni ko sigi pose lakadoineba again nang na kaigumba horen sidagi halakke hai targadi you cannot press the backspace. What you have to do type is cd ka dot yantai ka dot ahum nama matamda it will come back to this position again. cd dot you can you will be here and then cd dot you will be in the root. Sidagi directly root ta sakya hai targadi cd command se slash sida pdb command se yantai ka cd slash it will connect to the root directory guys. Yan tarni ko sa okay yan like se pa mo tamda ujik pari bis daisna na koina yam kan na ka hen na taroi practically taraba matamda you will understand each and everything. So now concentrate the explanation of these commands thoroughly. Try to digest whatever is written on the slide. Once we go through this completely, then we will start practical. Even in the practical, until unless you perform some of the tasks yourself, you will not be able to say that you are 100% understood. Okay, so now we will move on by explaining the commands with these slides. Once we complete, we will start practical. So now what I'm trying to do is aina hojik tawgadoy se we will explain few commands today and we will do the practice of those commands tomorrow. Yantai ka adumaina tawsi aikoi command khara dingasi yengsi thoroughly. As of now ani khaktang ngairi ahum mari tawsi hayeng we will try to execute ka adugi poto hayeng tawseba. Okay, so now example see this the pire mana kariyare cd payroll and pay this sinong kay daw nga sagi command se sang na ama khakta da pull up isalak padi ko nga sai aina kay daw gi ama khaktang idana aduna tab sang ni salai ni ko so sina taw do kay no directly payroll gi pay folder sida sida sak kineba si chala kanda now nang sida laire hai ne yan dai ko akoina amamam ta chat kidana amamam ta chat tabida mana pull up matamam ta da pull up hang bo yai sigi potse sigi command sigi kana base aikoina folder da changma matamda ngamde haibadi folder ama hangdana aikoina folder ama gi manungi folder do hangba ngamde ba. But whereas in the command prompt the d we can open the subfolders at a time. We can skip the mother folder and the child folder can be opened in a single command. So now example this is cd payroll the halai ni ko sa halak panate sigi command na tai it will connect to the payroll means nangi current position je payroll folder gi manung da laini have ne directory gi manung da sida ngasai gi do ko na dot okay dot ani khakta ni ahum waramdra so payroll cd dot sina kay dorni nang ngasai gi nang step am changjalu bodo step am handor kana that means nang na folder am dagi sigi folder sidagi sigi folder am changi base if you want to go back to the previous folder previous path then you can use the cd dot this will allow you to come back one step back to the insert in the previous folder. Okay, sikhangani ka. So now RMDIR that means removes. Purpose removes a specified folder, specified subdirectory or directory. Now magi format hai syntax to ni mana igeda pot se rd drive then path pu hai bani path to the nangi ngasai folder sing ideni. So now see minus repeat is subdirectory must be empty, that is should not be contain any file or subdirectory. I have the folder if this folder contains a file or a folder, then deleting this folder is not allowed. Okay, in this command. Root directory can never be removed. So now the C colon, these things cannot be removed. You cannot remove the current directory. Currently you are here. So let's say this folder is called as a R. Okay, you are in C colon slash, okay, backslash and R. So now you cannot delete this one. You cannot delete this folder. Okay. So you can delete the only subfolders inside this one. Haibadi nangi R folders ye nang logic delete to be arrow. Currently you are in here. Yes, you can delete subfolders of the R. Haibadi R siki manung da laiba subfolders na tragana files singa you can delete. You can delete, but you cannot delete this R. Okay, you know, I have nang currently as the lady. Okay. Okay, example dengo. RD payroll will remove the payrolls subdirectory under payroll. Ka magisi command se kena re. Okay, so me payroll will remove the pay subdirectory under the payroll subdirectory, which is under root. Nasagi ako na payroll gi manung the pay na subdirectory ma create to gidana. So that subdirectory will be removed. Example B is the RDA colon. A is kaino here is a drive amani ko. Drive amani nang logic atopa mafam amanda leraga so you can give a command. You can give a command for a different place. Means nang kaidoba hauze nang sida legitar so you can give a command, you know, in that command will be executed in another place. I coin a sham logic graphical user interface compared to matamda. Now you are here. There is some files and there are some folders, and this one is also another drive or another location. It has a multiple files or a multiple folder. Now you are here in this position, in this place, and you want to delete a file from this place. You cannot do you cannot give a command from here to delete this file. Yantai ko sigi jaga sida laiduni nang se sigi jaga sida gi nang na sigi file se delete tawna bagi damakta nang command piba ngamdeba in a graphical user interface, the GUI da. Whereas sigi command sida di you can give a command to delete this particular file, okay, even though you are here. Nang na sida sida lejaraga su nang kaidoba atopa jaga amagidi nang command to piba yai habineba ko. These are the advantages of using command prompt. Will remove the pay subdirectory under payroll root, a payroll under root on a drive. Nasagi file maming manay kolli gana doy na khanda is C drive they delete togini khanda ko because this is the another drive, a drive never. Okay, so now path setting as you can know C colon slash greater than sign and path. Display the search part of the message no path if the path is not found. Asagi path hai je kaino seng nai tagadi nangi location do level. Yantai ko nangi location do ni adu phangda targadi phangde harakani phangagadi phangi harakani. Matakta piriba command sina kay dawnam ni yango is command for setting search path for program files on C drive in DOS and Windows subdirectory. Masagi nang command nama search ki command nama pirakpa matamda sigi DOS natragana Windows hariba folder sigi manungda lairiba file singa do search tawda tholakane. Whenever we try to run program files without specifying path, they will automatically be searched in directories specified with path. In file is not found in any of these directories, the message no path is displayed. Karigumba nangi file sa pangda taragadi kari message lakani haiba matamda no path haiba lakani. Ningsing kadaba amana nang karigumba port ama thi targadi path ama thi targadi ngasai ki nang specify tawgiba directory path sing do maduda khaktamak thigane khangani ko batch file ase yengse batch file ase karino hai targadi it is nothing but a set of those commands written in a file. The extension of the batch file is always BAT. Akoina command se ngasai dai tawrei se kaino command prompt se dai se da tawise amamamtang command se amamamtang iraga execute tawbane masi time consuming oi and slow process oi. Sometimes akoida kaidawi samam na bo yawi whether that file that command was executed successfully or not. Okay, if this command is not successfully executed, then what would be the next step? Haibana chingma mayam singse akoida toina sijanaba nattabinina akoida kaidawi we cannot remember all the time. Yandai ko maram aduna akoina kaidokdoiba let's make a sequence of command, that multiple command, a set of command which can be executed only in those DIX operating system da. Yantai ko madugi command to aikona create tawre hairaga we can execute again and again. Yantai ni ko yengsi ikoi kamaina tawi to create a batch file at command prompt write copycon. Copycon is a command. Copycon has a command my file dot bat. My file is na my file has na nangi file name duni and then bat has na extension duni ka or edit my file dot bat ne ebi haibadi copycon na tragana edit ka edit also create the file ni, but this command allows you to create a new file also as well as edit the existing file also. Start writing the command that you want to run a set. For example, di is one of the command. Okay, p.cob del dot bak copy file 1 all file 2 new. To save the file, sine command sing se idui ni ko masi karai de idui no ngasagi command prompt do completely idui ni and then save file to idui. If you created the file using copycon, press Ctrl Z. See, remember, nang copycon decision press Ctrl plus Z. File to save to ba. Ako na file mo create to save to gagadi lagi content yung umami doon. Madugi po to ma meron ka dagta. Iko na kay remember copycon Ctrl plus Z. Aduga nang ngasay edit decision if you use edit command then press Alt plus F and then S. To open a file menu and then press Alt plus F X to exit editor and come back to command prompt. Nasagi edit decision that will allow you to open another editor. Editor mo pangani adugi editor do pangamatong da Alt F and then S namo aduduga file menu tolakani and then kadawa Alt F X na meraga exit the editor come back to the command prompt. Khangani ko sa practically oina tawdig di nakoy dong karam kaydi samam nani because this is totally based on the practical. Okay, using batch file asidagi akoy hayeng makasatharaji. File okay, sige slide mo lo sila je duga file specification sidagi makasathar ka. Whenever you need to run set of command given in a batch files, just execute the batch file. For example, to execute the batch file, myfile.bat at command prompt type. Haibadi nang ingasay ka daw ba? Isam-sam na, sige .bat se, yaurasu, yare, maximum di yaw na bo hanaw ka. Maximum yaw na bo hanaw. Command prompt da sige zip type daw birani, aduga enter na biralore. Enter na matam da, that will gives you that will execute, that will gives you the output of your batch file. matang the drive swing, see. When the computer is switched on, the operating system is located either from the floppy disk if inserted or the hard disk if attached. The disk from which the system has booted shall be default drive. One may need to change the drive to work on another drive. Hairisi kaino haikana nangi operating system se nangna kaigumba floppy disk ta thambo itaragadi nang floppy disk to nangi default drive oigani adu natragana hard disk to attached orga thambo itaragadi nangi hard disk to default drive oigane. That means nang oran just command prompt je open tobo matamda ekoi ki hoji hoji leiriba sidai C drive anadum tolani. That means your operating system stored in the C drive that is attached in your computer. That is one of the attached drive for your computer. Yantarnika. The cell connected to be B drive at the prompt changed to B column. Nasagi asidai sida B column ana iraga. Sida B column ana iraga enter togi matamda nangi drive to C degi krai de sakrani B de sakrane. So now you can change the drive by using this colon command with the drive letter. Drive to the letter to igadavani and then you can enter it. Definitely your drive will change. Okay, so now this why the we will continue tomorrow with the practicals of these commands. Okay, so jihai riba commands sing sigi ekoi hayeng nainarasi later on okay makagi piriba file specification ase asimung hayeng setharasi. And like command prompt the we can do lot of things. So with the section gadavani command prompt the tobusing say because we cannot see the output immediately. File to delete tawribra tawgidrabra haibana singwasu udavanina. Once file say modify tawgraba system ki settings to change to target system ki file ma change to target the behavior of your operating system will change ko adum compulsory change tawradavani aduna masi ekoina kitang section section adi adum compulsory section gadoini ai khangi adu nakoina sidai sida tawba yaba haibado sigi portion. Okay, fare adudi hayeng makha satharasi ko.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you.